Are your two data series using completely different scales, making your chart look broken or unreadable? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you exactly how to build. When you plot revenue in the millions alongside a profit margin percentage in a single chart, the tiny percentage values get completely crushed and invisible next to. Start by selecting your data table. In this case, we have monthly revenue and profit margins side by side. Highlight all three columns, including the headers, then go to the Insert tab in the ribbon, and inside the Insert Chart dialog, you will see each data series listed with its own chart type dropdown and a secondary axis checkbox on the right. Set revenue to clustered bars so it look at the finished chart. The revenue bars display clearly on the left axis scaled in hundreds of thousands, while the profit margin line tracks along its own right axis scaled from. You just learned how to build a combo chart with two axes in Excel, combining bars and a line to display two completely different data scales.